In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. Begin by opening an app called Files and selecting Clean at the bottom left corner. When you're ready, click on Clean under Junk Files. And last but not least, select Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!